Okay, guys, so the monthly candle is closing tonight. We are talking about the month of January being bearish in a very long time, right? So, what can we expect in the coming month of February in terms of trading the market? This is what we are going to talk about in this video, guys. We'll talk about how to trade for the month of February itself, right? So we'll talk about the price action in context with the normal RSI and TSI. We'll take a look at the simple moving average and simple trends on Bitcoin, and then we'll talk about the reverse MACD indicator, guys, the indicator that has been nailing all the accumulation cycles that we have seen on Bitcoin's price action itself, right? And then we'll talk about the negative DI as well. Holy shit, things are not looking that nice, honestly, right? So without any further ado, let's jump into the price action right off, guys. This video is anyway going to be only charts once again, right? Honestly, these price action points right here are telling us that yes, we are printing in a bearish divergence on a macro time frame, like the monthly time frame itself, which is being confirmed by the RSI being way the fuck below this price point right here, right? So yes, we are kind of continuing this entire relative strength index trend to the downside as well. Now the only, let's just say, guys, the very annoying fact about this entire price action is the fact that we are kind of breaking down from this grind line, right? And well, honestly, guys, let me just pinpoint the very bloody obvious thing in this price action right here, which is the fact that whenever the RSI is situated above your 60 reads, remember, guys, this line right here is your 60 reads on the RSI. Whenever the RSI is above 60 on the monthly time frame, Bitcoin likes to rip to the upside. Like you can see this happening again and again and again. Even on the BLX index, whenever the RSI on the monthly is above 60, that is when we are in a macro bullish trending environment, guys. What are we dealing with right here? The RSI kind of left the 60 reads with the previous monthly candle closure or the December candle closure itself. We are looking at a follow through, guys. We are not able to take out the December monthly candle closure to the upside. Essentially, your January's candle was supposed to close above $58,000 for this entire thing to flip out bullish in the market, but it did not happen, guys. It simply did not happen. We are simply 14 hours away from this monthly candle closure, and I don't think that in the next 14 hours we're going to be looking at $15, $16, $20,000 move coming in on Bitcoin to the upside, right? It's kind of like impossible. Well, nothing is impossible, but this is specifically a very difficult stance for Bitcoin, guys. I don't think Bitcoin can pull off in the next 14 hours, right? So that was your ultimate hopium, but most likely that's not going to happen, right? But essentially, look, guys, the fact about your bearish divergence in the market is that you cannot confirm all of these crazy nasty moves until you take out the previous local higher low that you just set in at $34,000 Bitcoin on a monthly schedule, guys. So this candle kind of like is not going to be closing below $35,000 as well, it looks to me like, right? Although it can happen. If Bitcoin flips bearish for the next 14 hours, maybe we can close this monthly candle below $35,000, and maybe we can confirm this entire top being a double top in the market, and well, your monthly bearish divergence will also play out. That will push the entire crypto market into a complete reaccumulation phase for a very long time, guys. And in the meantime, all the moves to the upside are supposed to be capitalized on, guys. Look, we'll have crazy trading opportunities in the market, right? But what we will not have in the market most likely is your exponential moves to the upside. So what I'm trying to tell you guys right here is that do not fucking marry your position in the market, right? If you go for a long exposure in the market, just don't bloody marry your positions. Just trade the price action. That's going to be the best strategy that play out, guys. Now, honestly, if you are in the hodling game, if you are in the investing game, what the hell are you trying to do watching this video? It's going to be a simple waste of time. This is simply going to be towards people who are really keen on trading the price action, which will happen in the month of February itself, which is not going to be that bullish, honestly, right? Okay, now let's talk about simple things, guys. Simple things again, simple moving averages and simple RSI trends right here. What can we see once again? The simple moving average has been guiding the RSI. Remember, guys, this was your naked RSI analysis with your grind line right here, but this one is being supported with the moving average as well. The 20 simple moving average is finally above the RSI, guys. This means bearishness in the market. Well, at least sideways behavior for a very long time is something that we can expect on Bitcoin itself, guys. Remember, we are not in a trending motion. Bitcoin is not in a bullish trending motion in the market. It will take a lot of time for Bitcoin to consolidate, to figure out a direction, and then maybe expand on the volatility side of things. But essentially, we are not in a bullish trending motion as of now, guys. It's pretty much clear right here. Although a little bit of benefit of doubt to the price action that maybe February would not be that bearish, right? Maybe February won't be nasty price actions coming all the way towards $25,000. Maybe it will be just a sideways consolidation between the range highs and the range lows, guys. We have an obvious looking price action region sitting in at $50,000, $48,000 regions, right? Let me just try to shape this up in a better way right here. Your $48,000 to $50,000 regions is your area of control. Honestly, that is the only region that is kind of relevant for me in terms of my macro trading bias, guys. Remember, we're talking about biases right here. Our bias for the month of February is going to be mostly bearish to consolidation. We are not going to be expecting exponential moves coming in on February itself. So, well, be prepared for a lot of range choppy chop behavior and a lot of price action to capitalize upon on these ranges as well, right? Anyways, guys, okay, now everything is pointed out towards the downside of the monthly time frame, to be honest with you. But essentially, look, guys, until you are situated above $34,000, maybe the month of February will open bearish. It'll come and sweep the range lows, but maybe it'll be sideways for Bitcoin, right? Which means that if the dominance also depletes in the market, trading altcoins would be a better option in the market as a whole. Alright, guys, now with that said, let's talk about the last topic for the day. I mean, this video was supposed to be very, very small, but it looks to me like we're already 6 minutes. So if you're still watching the video, hit that like button, subscribe, all the good things. I've been really inconsistent, guys, but there are some things which are going on in my life and I'm trying to take care of that. Well, I'm trying my best, guys. Everybody's trying their best in their life, I guess, right? Now, anyways, all right, back into the fact right here. The reverse MACD indicator has been pinpointing out every single accumulation cycle on Bitcoin for good. Remember, guys, whenever the reverse MACD gets into red, that is when Bitcoin gets into a big accumulation zone, which kind of extends for 2 years or 3 years straight, guys. We can see this here. We saw this over here as well. We are potentially looking at this one happening once again, right? As you can see that the reverse MACD is getting into red zone, and as we open the next monthly candle, maybe the reverse MACD is going to be above the previous monthly candle itself, right? Which will mean that, look, $48,000, $50,000 is a real resistance. So until you take out $48,000, $50,000 at least on a weekly trending basis, there is no need to be exuberantly bullish in the market. Whereas certainly there is a lot of need to trade these crypto assets, guys. Remember, the exchange that I'm using is FTX, and FTX is the best for execution. So, yep, I'm simply trying to sharpen my edge in the market and playing this game of trading with a lot of systematic approach in the market, guys. It's not going to be fucking random behavior, right? Okay, one more thing. A lot of people say that they're stuck in their trading, they're not making money, they're not doing shit in life, and it's just impossible to make money trading crypto assets. Look, guys, if you do not follow a system, if you don't approach these markets with a completely organized, systematic outlook, the market will always get the best of you. The market will fucking get the best of you every single time you put in a trade in this goddamn market, guys. Which is why you have to be really organized. You have to be really sharp as well before you make any systematic move in the market. Remember, guys, if you do random things in the market, you'll probably get random results, right? So have a system, follow that system, let those things work for a while. It'll take some time, but once you have a system that is at least 55% to 60% profitable in the market, maybe replicate that with a good risk management metric, and over time let that play out. It'll work out, guys. It'll work out, right? In the coming days, I'll be talking about how to formulate a good system for you. So hit that subscribe if you have not done that. A lot of people are not hitting subscribe. We are stuck at 1135 subscriber for a very long time, guys. Anyways, all right, just to conclude this video right here, this indicator on the bottom side of things is your DMI, guys. ADX and DMI, the directional indicator for Bitcoin itself, right? All right, not for Bitcoin, but every single asset in the earth. Essentially, look, guys, the DI positive is in a negative slope, which means that the positive momentum is waning out in the market. Remember, when you want to see any exponential run to the upside in any crypto asset, you at least want the DI positive to simply slope to the upside, right? We're looking at a negative slope on the positive momentum of the market. Do the math, right? Do the fucking math right here. We're fucking bearish, guys. We are building bearish momentum in the market. But anyways, guys, this probably means good news, because when the volatility expands, we are going to be making good use of things in the market. Alright, guys, I hope this was helpful. If it was, hit that bell, hit that subscribe, all the good things. I'm going to be catching all of you pretty soon. Bye for now.